Hi, this is Eric Lofholm, and I wanted to do a short little video to introduce you to my brand new 10-module sales mastery video course. For over 20 years, I've been in the trenches selling and teaching sales to people all over the world. This course is my best ideas that I've learned since 1992, sales from A to Z, generating lead, setting the appointment, doing that prospecting, getting those referrals, delivering a great dynamic presentation to move the prospect to take action, objection handling, closing, and much more. There's 10 courses in total. Each of these courses has at least 7 golden nuggets. So over 70 golden nuggets you're gonna get by going through all 10 of these courses. I want you to know these ideas are tried and true. I do my absolute best to deliver the information in a motivational way that's enjoyable to watch, that's loaded with great content that you can immediately implement to make more sales now. And I look forward to you enjoying the Sales Mastery series. Thanks for watching.